Hello, neighbor. Let's put that. Come on through, buddy. We're going that way. He didn't dare wave at the Grom. He wouldn't be caught dead waving at a Grom and a monkey.
No, he didn't wave at all.
I'm riding my Harley. I wave at everything. We're just out on our little mini motos today. Such a nice day, and we're avoiding downtown Savannah at all costs. Probably this whole weekend. Because it is St. Patrick's Day weekend, and I am too old for that. It's not even really safe to take your kids down there to watch the parade these days. Casual little stroll, y'all. Nothing serious, just a little ride. We're gonna head on down to the boat ramp to the Savannah River.
Enjoying this nice weather.
Yeah, we had some storms last night, so probably a little bit wet in some places still. Oh, there goes Keela. Scared me. I was looking at other things. She'd be rolling on her Honda monkey. Of course, she's wearing a Southern Custom shirt. She should be wearing a Workhouse Custom shirt today. Bit of traffic. It's down to one lane going across the old bridge now, so but it looks like it's moving. I don't know. After that rain last night, that ground on the side is kind of soft probably. The rest of it's swampy, as you can see. Swamps. You're gonna go for it, Keela. She's a rebel, y'all. She's on a Honda monkey. She could take it. Oh yeah. Just as I thought, the boat ramp is crowded today, y'all. Wow. This is actually the first really good spring day. Last weekend there was maybe one or two boats out here. Oh my goodness. And there is a paper mill right next door, so yes, that is not the porta potty we are smelling. And that is the Savannah River, y'all. That's the old Houlihan Bridge over that way. They're taking that out, building that new bridge. It's not so bad over here, Keela. Hopefully I'm getting you in the shot with your freaky eyes.
I'm a bad man,
Yeah, she is. It is a really nice day. If you didn't get motion sickness like us, it'd be a great day to be on a boat. Watch out for these big old potholes. Holy. That's a nice little... What happened?
The bug was blocking.
Oh, geez. It is that time of the year. Oh, this is the road, isn't it? Let me just go see how wet it is back here. Big rocks. I don't have the tires for this on this thing. The monkey does though. Probably get some air now. Out the way, pigeons. There's some big old ant hills up in here. Look at all the fucking trash. People are just so ignorant. Some couches. Couch of the day. Put your shit back here. So far it's not terribly wet. It's actually kind of dry through here. We got a good bit of rain last night though. That looks wet right over there. Let me see if Keely could do this hill again. Yeah. Here we go. Let me get up at first. This thing says too low for this shit. I'm ready, boss. There she comes, y'all. She said she'd never take the monkey off-road, but look at her. That was her first...
Oh, yeah!
That was her first off-road hill adventure on her Honda Monkey.
Like a Paddy.
Let's see. I don't know what this way looks like. Kind of rough. This isn't actually a trail bike that I'm on though. I'm pretty sure this is just a big hole. I'm gonna go as far as I can before I get to this next ditch. It's probably full of water. Easy. Giving that clutch a workout today. This grass is getting tall up here. Really isn't. No, I don't think this bike would even attempt that one, Keela. No, sir. No, this one sits too low for that shit. The monkey probably.
I'm good. She's good.
Yeah, there's a little mud down there at the bottom. You probably can't see it on the camera, but yeah. Coming out of it's dry though. Monkey would have no problem. It'd get a little dirty. Damn it, the freaking fire ant mounds. I hope I'm not stepping in none. There she is. With her freaky eyeballs and her Honda Monksies. Take a peek over here, you guys. Go a little ways. It looks much smoother than it used to years ago when we used to come out here on the four-wheelers. We'll take it nice and slow.
We used to ride all over here. Dirt bikes, four-wheelers.
Honda Monkeys, Grom clones.
Yeah.
Golf carts.
This is major for me. I said I wouldn't do this to my girl.
Yeah, it's gonna get.
Well, this wide.
This looks like it's wet up here, so we're probably gonna turn around.
That's weird.
Probably gonna turn around. Now the monkey could probably do it,
No, she can't.
but this thing's got some street tires on it. It says I mean, I probably could, but I'd rather not. Keela's already turned around. Look at that. Look at that. She's getting out before I asked her to do it. Do I know if I would have went, she would have followed me.
That monkey see, monkey do, but I didn't really get dirty.
Yeah, you do. Just not out here.
Yeah, not out here. Not that kind of dirty.
A little trail ski. Could have took that one. Get a little second gear speed going. Don't want to go down in there. Try to get the shot. Ooh, watch out, be careful right there. They're not mine, are they? No, I still got mine in my pocket. That was fun, y'all. Yeah, we get to go back down Keela's first hill, her first off-road hill. Can't really count that time you were on the Katana and went into the ditch. Ooh, don't go that way. That's kind of steep. Ooh.
Hey, I rode down the ditch and back up the ditch and didn't drop her and kept riding. That was good.
Yeah, we were on the street though.
Yeah, I was on the street.
We weren't exploring.
No mailboxes was damaged in the process.
Careful on those tracks. Let's go check the trash of the week, y'all. I know better than go back that way again. Ooh, fresh ant mound. Look at all this nonsense, y'all. That is a crying shame. People just dump their shit out here. There's other people that ride their four-wheelers and dirt bikes and shit back here.
That's cool.
There goes a big old plane coming in over there, y'all. I don't know if you can see it or not. We're also very close to the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport. This side's got all the fish just jumping. Wonder if they eat the crabs.
Are they eating some?
Gotta watch out for these ant mounds.